Alright, in this video we're looking at how to measure an acute angle. An acute angle is any angle that is less than 90 degrees. Acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees. So here we have two acute angles in two directions. So we're studying how we can measure them accurately without any glitches. First of all, the first step in measuring any angle is to locate or to decide what I call the baseline. The baseline. You can either use this as our baseline or this. You can use this as our baseline or you can use this as our baseline. But it's always preferable to use the line which is more horizontal as our baseline. So having known that, let's use this as our baseline. So the next step is to pick up our protractor. Protractor is a instrument used to measure angle. Now the next thing we do now is we locate our T-spots in the protractor. At this point in the protractor is the place where the vertical line, this vertical line intersects with the 180 mark, and of course that's this place. Okay, that's this point. So what we do now is we are going to drag. We'll take our protractor and make sure that the T line of the protractor, this place, enters or fits in exactly into the exact point where the two lines that make up the angle, where they meet, which is this point. So we pick up this place, make sure it fits into this place. So we put the protractor now, make sure the protractor, the T. Now the next thing now is to let one of the arms of the protractor rest exactly on our reference line. Our reference line was this line. So we are going to enable this zero mark line to fit in exactly on this line. So what do? We rotate. We're going to rotate the protractor in a way that it sits exactly on it. Yes, exactly. So we can see now that the zero line of the protractor fits in exactly on this reference line. From there we'll now begin to measure. This is 0, this is 0, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40. Now after 40 the line is into the smaller division after 40. So this angle like this is exactly 141. Sorry, exactly 41, please. 41, please. Please do not count from 1. It always counts from 0. It is 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Then the line goes beyond 1, which is 41. So in that case, the angle is exactly 40 degrees. So this angle is 40 degrees. The next thing, taking the same step, let's measure this particular one. As usual, let's pick this as our reference. So I will take the T joint of the protractor, let it fit exactly into this port, Yes. So the next thing now is we are going to rotate this such that this line, this zero line, is exactly on this line. So to do that, let's rotate until exactly it fits in. Yes. Okay, now we begin to read. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, then this point is 35. So the line is exactly on 36. Therefore, this angle is exactly 36. Exactly 36. This is 36 degrees. Alright, so as a recap, first of all, locate a reference line. Let the T-joint on the protractor fit in at the point of intersection. Now let one arm of the protractor from 0 mark rest on the reference point, then you count from 0. Doing that, you get the answer. Alright, see you in our next video. Thank you.